Hi, my name is Michael and I'm joining you here at the Smile Center. My most recent visit, which was today, I had a cleaning done and a tooth implant where they did the final step, which was putting in my tooth. I will tell you here at the Smile Center, not only is it a 5-star quality services, high quality, but all of the staff thus far has been at top quality hospitality, very cordial, and it has been a great experience. Dr. Stanley has done a very professional, tight job, same as many of the other staff, who has also done my teeth cleaning, and they do whitening here, and they offer all sorts of services. The consultation was very simple and pressure-free, and they sort of give you all the different options for what you need to get done, and they tell you the levels of importance, and then they leave it in your hands on what to do and when to do it, and then they'll take care of you. And it's been a great experience. I highly recommend this dentistry office, and I'll be back soon.